fact, we've expanded mental health counseling and services for our vets. More mental health professionals and making major investments in awareness, outreach, and suicide prevention. And we're making it easier for a vet with PTSD to get the... We have a unique opportunity to reaffirm our tradition of responsible gun ownership and also do more to keep guns out of the hands of criminals or people with a severe mental illness. In addition to the care and benefits they've earned, including good mental health care to stay strong, that means a good job, a good education, and a home to call their own. And it means giving our wounded warriors all the care and support they need to heal, including mental health care for those with post-traumatic stress or traumatic brain injury. Almost 60% have mental health problems.
My question is, in the healthcare reform bill that you are putting together, are there going to be provisions for insurance companies to get paid for providing health education and health promotion type of things for their people, as well as more help with mental health services, because it's a huge deficit?
And I guess my question is, if every American who needed it had access to good mental health care, what do you think the impact would be on our society?
Well, you raised the... mental health has always been undervalued in the health insurance market. And
insured people with mental health.
we're making major investments in awareness, outreach, and suicide prevention, hiring more mental health professionals, improving care and treatment. Already, we've seen a national conversation commence, not only about the motivations behind these killings, but about everything from the merits of gun safety laws to the adequacy of our mental health system. We see it in the mental and emotional toll that's been taken. In some cases, some good people, good soldiers who've taken their own lives. So we're going to keep saying to anybody who's hurting out there, don't... in recent months, we've heard new reports of some of our veterans not getting the prompt mental health care that they desperately need.
And as the question points out, the tour after tour after tour of duty that has been, carried out by our men and women in uniform has created some signature mental health issues associated with these wars. Traumatic brain injuries suffered, post-traumatic stress disorder.
Without any mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
Without any mental reservation or purpose of...
During his presidency, he's directed the federal government to help with child care in military families, to address veterans' homelessness, to step up on mental health issues, and to provide unprecedented support to our military families.
Moved by the realistic portrayals of the traumas of war, she founded the Soldiers Project to help service members and their families address the overwhelming effects of service-related mental health issues.
In the last 2.5 years, we've added nearly 800,000 veterans to our healthcare rolls, built more than 50 new community-based outpatient clinics, are building 5 new hospitals, have invested heavily in both mental health care and the telehealth technologies to link veterans wherever they live with the VA services they need.
He's taken unprecedented steps to improve mental health care and expand care for our women veterans and wounded warriors.